Since the privatization process between 1997 and 1998, freight railroads in Mexico have become a safe, efficient, and competitive transportation system, benefiting not only the users, but the Mexican economy as a whole. The rates charged are kept at the level of those of major U.S. railroads, generating reasonable profits for the railroad companies. Transportation by rail offers an excellent efficiency ratio between freight moved and the energy required to move it. Thus, it is the least polluting and most environment-friendly mode of transportation. Railroad transportation is also very safe, both because there are high standards of security in moving hazardous products and because operational incidents are less common. In this renaissance of freight railroads, the new railroad companies have invested over $5 billion on equipment and infrastructure. Thus, the share of rail freight in transportation has risen from 18% in 1995 to 26% in 2011. Similarly, in this period, the volume of freight moved practically doubled, as it increased from 25.7 billion revenue ton miles to 54.7 billion, a 5.1% rate of annual expansion. The main products moved are grains, minerals, fuel, raw materials, autos and auto parts, and construction materials. Mexican rail services are now world-class, capable of responding to the needs of the globally competitive environment. At present, Mexican rail freight is a part of the most important rail system in the world, together with the United States and Canada. Thus, a very high volume of goods can be transported to and from our northern trade allies. And growth between 1995 and 2008 reached a 7.5 average annual rate. The new system of rail transportation in Mexico has taken full advantage of the scientific and technological advances that are available on the market to improve safety and operational efficiency. Thus, there has been progress in automatic train dispatching, real-time systems of information on operations, automated identification of rail cars, electronic devices to monitor the conditions of train equipment and brakes, automated rail switches, specialized freight rail cars, the most efficient, least polluting, and highest capacity locomotives, and an automated hump yard in the Valley of Mexico. The Mexican rail system, as one of the main hubs of domestic and international trade, needs to continue on the growth path it has sustained since privatization. That is why we must undertake substantial changes that will allow us to overcome the sector's most pressing challenges. Such changes entail planning rail development as a key guiding principle in building a comprehensive, safe, efficient, and competitive national system of transportation. The focus must be forward-looking and long-term so as to encourage investment in railroad infrastructure projects, drive the country's development, and ensure a balanced and sustainable expansion of the transportation system, thus bringing economic and social benefits. Railroads are the modern mode of transportation best suited for the needs of a growing Mexican economy. It is certainly a road full of challenges, but Mexican railroads are firmly moving forward with a view to the future.